start refreshing this thing. Nothing happens, basically. Yeah, I think that was pretty... Wait a minute! You gotta be kidding. You gotta be kidding, man! No way.
This video is made for educational purposes only. Don't try what you're going to see in the video.
Hey guys, what's up? This is Andrew. I've been a crypto enthusiast for many years. Now I'm mostly into testing different projects. And in this video, I'm gonna put to the test one of those blockchain related games without expecting anything, because basically it's just nothing serious at all. So I'm gonna start with adjusting the settings. It's no big deal at all. Basically, it's already loading. And yeah, guys, I love the interface already because the interface looks pretty user-friendly. Wait a second. Yeah. So yeah, I'm gonna go with this first option here, and give me a second. Yeah, I got the idea. So basically, give me just a second. I'm gonna fix this real quick. And like I said, guys, I don't have any expectations, and I'm not a financial advisor, and everything that I'm gonna show you here, guys, will be just my random experience. And basically, this video is intended for those aged 18 and older. In the meantime, done. I'm gonna go back here. I'm gonna reload this page, and yeah, that was fast. Okay, so I'm gonna continue adjusting the settings. I'm gonna click next step. It's loading again. All right, almost there. Actually, I'm wondering what the gameplay looks like, and that looks pretty impressive, actually. So I'm just gonna start playing, just like that. Wait a minute. That was a hell of a gameplay. I love this gameplay. This gameplay was fun, but here's the deal. Like I said, I don't expect anything at all. I had a lot of fun playing it, but I don't know what's gonna happen next. Basically, I'm just gonna get to the most interesting part. So give me just a second. It's about time. I'm gonna start refreshing this thing, and like I said, guys, no expectations at all. Basically, I'm prepared to any outcome. I'm gonna start refreshing this thing. Nothing happens, basically. Yeah, I think that was pretty... Wait a minute. You gotta be kidding. You gotta be kidding, man. No way. Okay, I mean, all the details are literally here. And it's just how it is. I mean, this is just, I don't know. I'm totally speechless, man. But thank you for watching, guys.